Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes in your YJ. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down to Lumpy's garage and we'll shoot the footage. Remember, when we get down there we can't call him Lumpy because it's an old high school name. He hates the name and he flips out every time somebody still calls him Lumpy. But it'll be our little secret, and one day he's going to wake up and see all these videos named Lumpy's garage. And this place is a little bit of a mess. Looks like a truck drove through here with nitroglycerin. It'd probably be cleaner if one did. So let's get out of here. My dad's actually waiting at the other shop for us, so he's going to hop in the video as well. He's a great guy. He's a 76-year-old auto body guy, and I learned everything I know from my pop. So it'd be kind of fun to have him in on it, and Lumpy as well. So let's get rolling. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll definitely reply back to you. The channel's a great channel. We have everything on this channel: how to fix your ATV, how to fix RVs, how to fix stuff around your house, how to do general automotive repairs. Basically, if you're a guy, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel. It's a great place to hang out. It's like a mecca of all these different things that you have to fix in your everyday life. So let's get rolling, and let's go have some fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to start from the farthest corner of the vehicle, so that would be like the right rear. Bleed that tire. Then you're going to walk over to the other side of the vehicle, so it'll be like the left rear. Then you're going to come forward, bleed the right front, and then the last tire would be the left front, which is the driver's side. And how to tell that is if you're in the passenger seat, the right is the right, the left is the left from behind the steering wheel. So what you need is an old guy to help you out with this because they know everything. Up away he goes. So when you bleed the brakes, there's going to be a bleeder on the back, and it is, let's see if I can figure that right there. So the easiest way to do it is to have somebody in the vehicle pump up the brakes, tell them to hold it, and then you crack these bleeders, some brake fluid will come out, and once no more air is out of the system, it should be all set. Alright, so what we're going to do is I have my father in the driver's seat of the Jeep, and I'm going to say to him, pump it up. So he's going to pump up the brakes until he has a firm pedal. Then I'm going to tell him to hold it, and when he holds the brakes, I'm going to crack the bleeder on the bleeder valve on the back of this drum, and then some brake fluid is going to come out, and we're going to do this until all of the air is out of this particular line. And then we're going to work our way around the truck. Alright, so find out what size bleeder it is. On my Wrangler here, it happens to be a 10 millimeter. So, alright, pump up the brakes.
Holding.
Alright, hold it.
Down.
Okay, so now, once all the brake fluid has come out of the bleeder, the guy pumping up the brakes wants to hold it to the firewall and to shut off the bleeder. Alright, pump it up.
Holding.
We're going to crack it. Shut off your bleeder. Alright, pump them up. You want to make sure that the guy pumping up the brakes doesn't lift his foot off the brake pedal because he'll suck air into the brake line.
Yeah, you're getting air in here for some reason.
Are you?
Yeah.
You pumping it up?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Alright, hold it.
Down.
Yep. Okay, pump them up.
Maybe once you go all the way around.
Yeah.
Okay, down.
Okay, hold it. Okay, pump it up. Alright, so we did that 3 times on the right rear, and no air came out of it, so we're going to move on to the next wheel. If you're not getting any air out of it, continue on, and make sure you wipe the brake fluid off of you know, your drums and the backing plate and stuff like that, don't let it sit on there, especially if you have brand new paint on stuff. So now I'm moving over to the left rear. Pump it up.
You gotta get some air out of something because it ain't pumping up. Okay, I'm holding.
All right, hold it. Right, some air came out of that one. Pump it up.
Okay.
All right, hold it. Some air came out of that one. Hold it. Pump it up. So in this one, we're getting a little bit of air out of it, which I thought was the culprit because I blew a wheel cylinder out of this side in the rear.
Okay, holding it.
All right, hold it. All right, pump it up. Yeah, there's definitely some air in this one.
Yeah.
Tell me when it's firm.
No, we ain't gonna turn it. Okay.
You all set?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, hold it. Yep.
Okay, holding it.
All right, it's starting to feel a little bit better?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, hold it. Okay, a little less air that time. Pump it up. Is it getting better?
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. This is it. This is last call for AMC on this thing, so it's the reason why they went out of business. Right?
Holding it. Yeah, move good that time.
All right, pump it up. So once you have the rear all set, check your master cylinder around the front. Make sure the fluid level is okay. Then we're going to move over to the right front tire. Okay, pump it up.
Okay. I think you better check the fluid now. Yeah.
This is it.
The front's full. There's blood in front.
Yeah, the front's full. Pump it up. So when you master your cylinder, your front brakes and your rear brakes are they're going to be separated, and I'll show you in a minute.
I can't believe you just lost my power.
Yeah. And we just lost power in the studio.
Okay.
All set? Hold it.
Yeah, here we go.
All right, pump it up. Good thing with battery-powered lights, huh?
Yeah.
So there was no air at all out of the right front, so now we're going to go over to the left front and bleed those. Are you all pumped up?
Yep.
Okay. All right, hold it. Hold on a minute.
All the way down.
All right, hold on. You get a better bite on this one. Okay, pump it up.
Okay.
Okay, hold it. Oop, shit. Okay, pump it up.
Okay.
Okay, hold it. All right, pump it up. So there's no air at all out of that one. Just that left rear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna top off the brake fluid and go back to left rear that we had a little bit of an issue with. Right, fronts are all set, Dad. Santa Claus is coming to town, or to the studio.
Come on out, all you ho-ho-hos.
Alright, let's top off this brake fluid.
Does he need it or you
No,
just
I
need
just
it?
need to start. I'm gonna peel the cover, spring back,
Yep.
push the boots back down.
Right.
Now this one is for the rear, the smaller one.
Yep. So it's
That's
getting
one.
low because we had some air in that right rear. So we're gonna fill this up, and then we're gonna go back to that right rear, make sure all the air is out of it. So once you have the brakes all bled down, top off the reservoir one more time if it's low. We just made it. So my buddy Stevie is gonna top that off for me.
They weren't necessarily the,
And then put the cover back on your master cylinder.
at the end, there weren't.
And it should be all set, right, Steve?
Yep.
Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of great stuff coming your way.